Let's go. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and check this out. Finally, in front of me is the brand new AMG GT63 Coupé. It's a very expensive car, first of all. It starts at around 188,000 euros in Germany. Here in this beautiful Alpine Grey, an option for over 4,000 euros. And in today's review, I will show you the exterior, show you the interior, and then take it out for a drive. So let's start right off here at the front. So people, at the front, as you can see, we've got the Panamericana grille and the beautiful new Affalterbach AMG emblem. Every new AMG has that. We got those amazing looking lights with like 3 slatches in them. They look aggressive, but the front, all in all, doesn't really look that aggressive. It looks aggressive, yes, of course, with that massive hood and stuff, but the bumper looks a bit soft. I think they did that because there is some GTRs or maybe stuff like this coming. And that's why I think they did that. Under the bonnet we have a 4.0 V8 Biturbo, the one we know, the one we love. 585 horsepower and 800 Newton meters here in this one, with the 9-gear transmission we know. And now let's move to the side and then to the back. So people, check out these amazing looking wheels, also available in a gold color. I would 100% go for the gold color, especially on an Alpine Grey spec. Black steel brake. The carbon ceramic costs 9,000 euros extra. We got a black steel brake on this one. The V8 Biturbo badge, looking amazing in this darkish chrome, looks super aggressive. I think the air outtake there is fake. Let me check. Yes, the air outtake there is fake. It's just for looks, but it looks good. I got to give them that. We've got super wide hips, looking super aggressive. This is how an AMG GT needs to look. Amazing looking back wheels. Pilot Sport S5, the brand new Michelin tire on this one. That's why it's gripping probably so good, and the 4MATIC. And check out the rear of this car, which I think the rear is the best looking part about this car. We've got these lights looking like from a UFO. They look so modern. The spoiler, this hasn't got the aero kit. With the aero kit you get the fixed carbon fiber spoiler. On this one we've got the Bugatti Chiron spoiler that comes out and goes down. We got the carbon fiber exterior package. That's why we got a carbon fiber bumper. It looks super good. One thing I don't like is when you look here from the side, it starts in gloss black and then it moves to be carbon. So they saved a little bit of costs on that. I don't know if I would have saved that cost, but that's how it is on the AMG GT. Beautiful black 4 tailpipes, we know them. Of course behind that there's fake, but there's still real exhaust behind that. Just look at that rear. Just look at it. So aggressive, so masculine. Spoiler, diffuser, white tires like on a Lamborghini Aventador. It looks so aggressive. We've also got a trunk which is automatically accessible, but I don't think you really care about it. This is the trunk, it's currently full with stuff, and let's now go inside the car and after that take it out for a drive. So people, moving on to the inside, look at this, so much leather here everywhere. It's beautiful, it's absolutely beautiful, but that has to be expected by a car that costs 200,000 euros. Carbon fiber package, as you can see here for the interior, the beautiful ambient lighting, Burmester sound system, and look at this, we've got the beautiful Alcantara with carbon steering wheel. This is the most expensive one and it's the best looking one. The AMG bucket seats we know we love with the yellow seat belts, giving it a great accent. I absolutely love it. We've got the carbon fiber center console here, basically the SL interior. So some people might say this is an SL with a roof, and maybe they are right, but I think the AMG GT is more of the sporty car. So let's jump inside and then take it out for a drive. Let's go. So people, the steering wheel we know and we love. Look at this, the carbon fiber down here and the Alcantara. It looks super amazing. I absolutely love it. And what I also really like is the SL screen. We've got the MBUX in here, everyone knows, with the AMG performance, the setting, everything you need is in here. The AMG button here, when you press the AMG button you go to the car modes. It's an absolute amazing interior in here. And look at this, the Burmester sound system, the AMG bucket seats, and people, I think it's enough talking. Let's go and take the AMG GT out for a drive. I can't wait. So people, let's now take out the AMG GT for a drive. Let's go. As you can feel, you can definitely hear the V8 rumble, of course. It is still the AMG GT with regarding sound. It sounds absolutely astonishing. It is a super comfortable car as well, really comparable to the SL. And let's put it into the Sport Plus. Look at the sand here in front of me, oh my god. Let's put it into the Sport Plus and start listening to it here a little bit. Whoa, the gear shifts are super aggressive. So people, let's give it some throttle here in the Sport Plus. Oh, what a punch this car has. You can feel the 585 horses. Definitely you can feel them. It also sounds amazing. So people, let's now do a launch control with the AMG GT. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh my god. Insane. There's a little tunnel coming here, a little bridge, and I think that's a perfect opportunity for us to listen to the beautiful V8 of the AMG GT. Oh my god! What a sound this car has! So people, as you can see, we've got a 360-degree camera. We know it out of the AMGs. High resolution, best angle, everything you want. So people, let's now do a launch control of the AMG GT. Let's go. Oh! Oh my god, the AMG GT is so fast, people. What a car this is. Oh my god. So people, and you don't just have to drive it like me, you can also put it into the comfort, as you can see, just like this here, and then it transforms to an absolute comfortable Mercedes-AMG daily, sports or supercar. Honestly, like, it is super comfortable. It is not any different from driving a CLE, apart from hearing that amazing V8 we have here. And I hope you are enjoying this video, people. If you are doing, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. So people, I don't know if the AMG GT is worth its money. It costs a hell of a lot. Like 220,000 euros as spec is not a joke. This is a hell of a lot of money, a stack of cash. But I think it is a great sports car, and I can't wait for the other variants of it that are going to drop, similar to the AMG GTR or maybe something like this. Because those will be insane. If that's already the base we are getting here, then those other cars will be absolutely magnificent. The steering wheel is nice. You just have to know in summer it's a little bit grippy up here, because this is like, I don't know how to describe it. This is like grabbing the center console, honestly. And the Alcantara is super nice. And I don't know why Mercedes always does that, but here's a fake leather horn, not a real one like on the GLE or the S-Class. It looks so much better when you have a real leather horn here with the Mercedes star instead of this fake plastic one. But yeah, look at this here. Sounds so aggressive, drives really aggressive as well. It's got a very aggressive tune to it. You can feel that it's not just a basic SL with a roof, because it's got way different software, way different tuning of the same components. Nowadays a car is very tunable just by the software. As you can see, for example, the RSQ8 and the Lamborghini Urus, they are two different beasts, despite them being like 95% identical, maybe 99, I don't know. But with software you can change a lot of the driving behavior, and that's also happened to this AMG GT. It's not just an SL. But this thing here honestly sounds like the 2018 AMGs. Look at this here. It's very deep, growly. Downshifts also like that's what I meant. It's an amazing sounding, amazing looking, and also very good performing car. And if you want to buy it, you should go ahead and buy it, but it's also very expensive. So people, all in all, I hope you enjoyed the review of the AMG GT63. It was a very short one. I had very short time with this car, but I will 100% bring you some other Mercedes AMG reviews, and I did already bring you a lot of AMG reviews. Make sure to check them out. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.